Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but in today's video we're going to be doing things a bit differently. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to braid yourself. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you how to braid yourself, and today we are going to be doing island twists. So I've already started, but I'm going to be telling you what are the things that you're going to need in order for you to braid yourself. So firstly, you're gonna need 8 of these.
That was a lot.
Brazilian wool. It's called Brazilian wool. You can see. And secondly, you're going to need this here. It's called Magic. This is how the packet looks. This is 69 rings. This is 10 rand each. You're also gonna need a scissor to cut your Brazilian wool. You're gonna need a small comb to part your hair, and you're gonna need a brush for the edges. And lastly, you're gonna need this hair gel. It's 24 rands. So far I've already opened one Brazilian wool, and I already cut it. So I think I'm gonna show you how to cut it when I'm opening the second one. So for now, let's proceed with the hair. You're going to need to decide which part you want to start. So if you're confident with what you are doing, normally when I'm braiding myself knotless braids or fox locks, I start at the back because I already know what I'm doing. So it's easy, I just open part at the back and then go like this. But since it's the first time I'm doing these, I decided to start in the front so that I see what I'm doing, so that I can have a picture of what I'm doing. I've already opened 3. So let me show you how to part your hair. This is how much I've managed to braid myself so far, but now I have to go to work. I'm ready to go to work. I have a night shift today, so I'm gonna proceed with the hair probably at work. If I get a break in the evening when I'm done with my work, I'm going to continue braiding and finish off this whole part that I have left, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back, and like I said, I was going to resume doing my hair at work, so let's get into it. So this is the part that we have left only, and yeah, it's currently 1. Though I was supposed to probably be done by now, but I was live on TikTok. I had a live, I was saying, so yeah, I got disturbed by that. But anyways, I think we're gonna be done. We're gonna be able to finish this in just 30 minutes.
This will be ready by tomorrow morning.
What do you mean tomorrow morning?
It's just windows and doors that are remaining. By tomorrow morning, everything will be done.
But what about...
So stay tuned. I think I've already explained everything when I was at home. I managed to explain everything, and I'm gonna write the tips that you need. Stay tuned. You look so fine, 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 you look so fine. I'm so tired.